Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of troubleshooting steps that you can follow in order to fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your phone setting, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for your microphone settings. But the best way to do it is going to be by heading into apps and then looking for your WhatsApp application. Once you find WhatsApp, click on it, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on microphone and make sure that it is enabled. It is as simple as that. The other thing you want to do is simply try to restart your mobile device, and also make sure to turn off your Bluetooth, because sometimes your audio isn't being sent to connected headsets, or it could be being sent to connected headsets. The final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your storage on your mobile device, and that is done by heading into General, iPhone Storage, and this is it. Simply go ahead and clear out anything unnecessary that could be taking your space. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.